green around the gills. The idiom, green around the gills, is used to describe someone who looks sickly or pale, often indicating that they are feeling unwell or nauseous. It is a figurative expression that compares a person's complexion to the color of a fish's gills when it is not healthy. Here are a few examples to help you understand the usage of this idiom. 1. Sarah felt green around the gills after eating the spoiled food. Explanation: Sarah ate something that was not fresh, and as a result, she felt sick and looked pale. 2. John turned green around the gills when he saw the roller coaster at the amusement park. Explanation: John became pale and looked sickly when he saw the roller coaster because he was afraid of heights. 3. The long car ride made Mary feel green around the gills. Explanation: the extended car journey made Mary feel nauseous and look pale due to motion sickness. 4. Tom felt green around the gills before his big presentation at work. Explanation: Tom was extremely nervous before his important presentation, causing him to feel sickly and look pale. In all of these examples, the phrase, green around the gills, is used to describe someone's appearance when they are feeling unwell or experiencing discomfort. It is a colorful and vivid way to convey someone's physical condition,